Every time you hit the road, your tires are the vehicle's first point of contact with the ground. Ensuring they're in top condition is crucial for your safety and the vehicle's performance. Hi, I'm Brian Anatra, parts manager here at Bill Harris CDJR. Regular tire checks and maintenance plays a pivotal role in keeping you safe on the road. Proper tire pressure not only improves fuel efficiency, but also enhances traction and handling, especially in adverse weather conditions. Tread depth is another critical factor. Worn out treads reduce grip and increases the risk of hydroplaning. Regular inspections for signs of damage like cuts, bulges, or punctures can prevent potential blowouts. Don't forget the spare tire. It should be in good shape too. Neglecting tire maintenance can lead to accidents, breakdowns, and unnecessary expenses. So take a moment and inspect your tires regularly, because your safety rides on them. Tell them about the tires. Guarantee your tire safety with a new set of tires, and through April, when you buy 3 tires here at Bill Harris CDJR, you get the 4th one for $1. Because your safety rides on them.
I like that you just holding it together.